Hi, welcome to the Coffee Laboratory. I am Manson, authorized trainer of Specialty Coffee Association. Ever feel like your morning brew could use a little extra warmth and flavor? Well, today we're diving into the delicious world of spiced coffee. Imagine waking up to a cup that not only awakens your senses, but also envelopes you in cozy aromas. We're talking about the enchanting flavors of cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, and even some unexpected twists that transform your daily cup into a fragrant experience. Cinnamon, with its sweet and warm notes, pairs beautifully with coffee, creating a comforting embrace that's perfect for chilly mornings. Cardamom adds a delightful hint of spice and a touch of exotic flair, while nutmeg lends a creamy, nutty undertone that elevates the entire drink. And for those feeling adventurous, have you ever tried black pepper coffee? Yes, it's a thing. The subtle heat of black pepper can awaken your palate in a whole new way. I've got 5 amazing recipes lined up for you, each showcasing these spices in unique ways. From a classic spiced latte that's perfect for your cozy mornings to a bold concoction that might just surprise you, there's something for everyone. Beyond flavor, these spices offer numerous health benefits, such as boosting metabolism and aiding digestion, which makes your coffee not just a treat but also a wellness ritual. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's get brewing together. Whether you're a seasoned coffee lover or just looking to spice things up, these recipes will surely inspire you to elevate your coffee game and embrace the warmth and flavor that spices can bring to your daily routine. Get ready for a delightful journey into the world of spiced coffee. Before we jump into the exciting recipes, let's explore why you should spice up your coffee. First and foremost, enhancing the flavor of your brew is a compelling reason. Spices add a remarkable depth to your daily cup. For instance, cinnamon introduces a natural sweetness that can transform the bitterness of coffee into something comforting and warm. Cardamom brings vibrant floral notes, creating a beautifully aromatic experience that elevates the drink. Nutmeg, with its rich and earthy essence, adds a cozy warmth, making each sip feel indulgent and satisfying. It's truly like a flavor upgrade that can turn an ordinary cup into an extraordinary one. Beyond taste, we can't overlook the impressive health benefits that these spices offer. Cinnamon is known to help balance blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, making it a powerhouse addition to your morning routine. Cardamom not only aids digestion, but also freshens your breath, which is always a plus. Cloves and ginger are fantastic allies in boosting immunity, especially during cold seasons, while black pepper enhances the absorption of antioxidants in your coffee, making it not just delicious, but also nutritious. Additionally, spiced coffee has a rich cultural tradition that spans centuries. It's not a new trend. Think of the deep-rooted practices like Turkish coffee infused with cardamom or the beloved Mexican café de olla, which features cinnamon. These cultural staples remind us that spiced coffee has been cherished around the world for generations. So, as we move forward into our recipes, remember that you're not just making a drink, you're embracing a flavorful, healthful tradition that connects us all. Let's dive into our first delicious recipe, the cinnamon dolce latte. This delightful drink is sweet, creamy, and absolutely perfect for those chilly mornings when you need an extra dose of warmth and comfort. To get started, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Begin with a shot of espresso or, if you prefer, half a cup of strong coffee. Either will serve as a robust base for our latte. Next, grab a cup of milk, free to use any kind you like, whether it's whole, almond, or oat milk. The choice is yours. To this, add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, which will infuse your latte with a warm, aromatic flavor, and a tablespoon of sugar. But if you're in the mood for something a bit different, maple syrup or honey can make great alternatives. Now, let's bring it all together. Start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee and set it aside. In a saucepan, heat the milk gently while whisking in the cinnamon and sugar until the mixture becomes frothy and inviting. This step is key, as it creates that luscious texture we all love in a cafe-style drink. Once your milk is ready, pour the coffee into your favorite mug and then add the beautifully spiced milk on top. For an extra touch of indulgence, feel free to top it off with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon for that perfect finishing touch. And there you have it. This homemade cinnamon dolce latte tastes like your favorite coffee shop treat, bringing that cozy vibe right into your kitchen. Enjoy every sip of this lovely concoction. Next, let's make cardamom Turkish coffee, a drink that is rich, bold, and incredibly aromatic. This unique preparation method highlights the flavors of both the coffee and the spice, creating an experience that is truly delightful. To get started, you'll need just a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of finely ground coffee, ideally a Turkish grind for the best flavor, and 2 crushed cardamom pods that will infuse the coffee with a wonderful fragrance. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness, feel free to add sugar according to your taste. Now, let's walk through the steps. In a sezv, a traditional Turkish coffee pot, combine the water, coffee, and crushed cardamom. The key to perfecting this coffee is to heat it slowly over low heat. As it warms up, keep an eye on it. You want to catch the moment when foam begins to rise, but make sure it doesn't boil over. This careful approach allows the flavors to meld beautifully without losing the rich essence of the coffee. Once you see that lovely foam, remove it from the heat and pour it gently into your cup, allowing the grounds to settle at the bottom. The result is a beautifully aromatic drink that you can sip slowly, savoring every moment. And here's a pro tip. Cardamom not only enhances the flavor, but also cuts the bitterness of the coffee, making this brew incredibly smooth and enjoyable. So, take a moment to appreciate the spiced magic in this cup of cardamom Turkish coffee, and let it transport you to another world with each delightful sip. Okay, pumpkin spice fans, this one's for you. Let's create real pumpkin spice coffee that celebrates the essence of autumn, not just a syrupy imitation. This delightful drink is all about using genuine ingredients to capture that cozy fall flavor. To start, you'll need 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, which will serve as the rich base for our concoction. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. This is where the magic happens, as it adds a creamy texture and authentic pumpkin flavor. For the spices, you'll want to include half a teaspoon of cinnamon, alongside a 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg and cloves. These spices will work together to create that traditional pumpkin spice warmth we all love. Don't forget to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which enhances the overall flavor profile beautifully. Now, let's walk through the steps. Begin by blending the hot coffee with the pumpkin puree and spices until you have a smooth, well-combined mixture. This step is crucial for ensuring that every sip is packed with that delicious pumpkin flavor. Meanwhile, heat your milk of choice, whether it's dairy or a non-dairy alternative, and froth it to create that lovely, airy texture. Once the milk is ready, pour it over your spiced coffee blend, allowing the two to meld together perfectly. For an extra touch, garnish your drink with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. And there you have it! This pumpkin spice coffee is made with real ingredients, delivering genuine pumpkin goodness without any artificial flavors, making it the perfect way to embrace the flavors of fall in each delightful sip. Enjoy! Who misses gingerbread lattes after the holidays? Well, the good news is that now you can enjoy them year-round. This delightful drink captures the essence of the holiday season, bringing together the warm and comforting flavors of gingerbread in every sip. To get started, you'll need a shot of espresso, which will serve as the rich foundation for this delicious treat. Next, grab a cup of milk. Any type you prefer will work beautifully. The star ingredient here is a tablespoon of molasses, which adds that deep, robust sweetness reminiscent of traditional gingerbread cookies. To enhance the flavor, you'll also need half a teaspoon each of ground ginger and cinnamon, which will give your latte that signature spice blend that warms the soul. Now, let's walk through the steps to create this festive drink. First, mix the shot of espresso with the molasses and the spices in a mug, ensuring everything is well combined. This mixture will create a wonderfully aromatic base. Next, steam your milk until it's hot and frothy, and then pour it over the espresso mixture, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. For the finishing touch, top your gingerbread latte with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon, making it not only delicious but also visually appealing. This drink is perfect for any time of year, whether you're craving the cozy vibes of winter or simply want to indulge in a sweet treat. So, embrace the festive spirit anytime you want with this delightful gingerbread latte that brings joy with every sip. Enjoy! Now for the wild card, let's talk about black pepper and amp, honey coffee. This unique combination might sound surprising at first, but trust me when I say that the pepper adds a spicy kick that pairs beautifully with the sweetness of honey, creating a delightful contrast that will awaken your taste buds in a whole new way. To make this intriguing brew, you'll start with a cup of freshly brewed black coffee, which serves as the perfect canvas for our bold flavors. Once your coffee is ready, stir in a teaspoon of honey. This natural sweetener brings a lovely smoothness and a hint of floral notes that balance the boldness of the coffee. But here's where the magic really happens. Add a tiny pinch of freshly ground black pepper. This might seem unconventional, but the pepper not only enhances the flavor but also provides a warm, subtle heat that elevates the coffee experience. It's important to use just a pinch, as you want the pepper to complement rather than overpower the drink. Now, mix everything together, allowing the honey to dissolve completely and the flavors to meld beautifully. Once you take your first sip, you'll feel that gentle warmth from the pepper, which contrasts wonderfully with the rich coffee and sweet honey. This drink is perfect for those days when you need a little extra kick, whether it's to boost your energy in the morning or to warm you up in the afternoon. So, embrace this adventurous blend and give your coffee routine a bold twist with black pepper and amp, honey coffee. It's a delightful way to experience coffee like never before, and I guarantee you'll be pleasantly surprised by this unique combination. Enjoy every sip. Before we wrap up, let's delve into some pro tips for achieving spiced coffee success that will elevate your brewing game. First, let's talk about spice storage. To ensure that your spices remain fresh and flavorful, it's crucial to keep them in airtight containers. Over time, old spices can lose their potency and flavor, resulting in a dull taste in your coffee. So, take a moment to check your spice cabinet and make sure everything is stored properly for the best results. Next, don't be afraid to experiment. The world of spices is vast, and there are endless possibilities to enhance your coffee. For instance, try adding star anise for a delightful hint of licorice that adds an intriguing twist to your brew. If you're a fan of chocolate, a sprinkle of cocoa powder can create a rich mocha flavor that's simply irresistible. For those who crave a more tropical vibe, consider using coconut milk instead of regular milk. It adds a creamy texture and a subtle sweetness that pairs beautifully with spices. Finally, if you're a cold brew enthusiast, here's a fantastic tip: steep your chosen spices in cold brew overnight. This method allows the flavors to infuse deeply, resulting in a refreshing iced spiced coffee that's perfect for warm days. Just imagine sipping on a chilled cup of coffee that bursts with aromatic spices. What a treat! So, as you venture into the world of spiced coffee, remember to store your spices well, experiment with new flavors, and don't hesitate to try cold brew with spices. These tips will surely help you craft the most delightful and flavorful coffee experiences. Enjoy your brewing adventures! To support our channel, please follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy the coffee moments! See you! If you're interested in coffee, consider joining the Coffee Skills program, which offers essential knowledge and practical skills for the industry. Beginners should start with the Introduction to Coffee course, designed to provide a foundational understanding of the coffee journey from bean to cup. This course is a great first step for those looking to pursue a career in coffee or enhance their appreciation of the beverage. Whether you aspire to be a barista, open a cafe, or simply enjoy coffee more deeply,